Jai Shri Krishna friends, welcome to my health and taste. Today we are going to make Holi special snacks masala mathri, spinach masala mathri, that is Palak Masala Mathri and namak pare. These snacks are made in homes at Holi and can be easily had with tea or in the evening snacks whenever you like. They can be made very easily and quickly. So let's see how to make it. All the ingredients I've mentioned in the description box below. In maida we'll add kasuri methi, ajwain or carom seeds, black pepper powder, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and we'll mix everything well together. Now we'll add oil. We'll add oil in two batches, two halves. So we'll add it, mix it with our hands, and again add the oil, and we'll get a crumbly texture in the flour. So when you'll press it, or when you'll take it between your fingers and press it, it will bind together. That is how you know that no more oil is needed. Then using water we'll need a hard dough, and like this we'll pinch out balls of the dough. So I'm getting here around 21 balls, so it depends on the shapes, the thickness you are taking. So now our masala mathri is ready to be fried. We'll repeat all the same steps like we did in the masala mathri, just that we'll knead this with spinach puree instead of normal water. That's the only difference between the masala mathri and spinach masala mathri. Rest all the procedure remains same. So we'll add oil, then we'll need using the spinach puree. So here how I've made the spinach puree is I've just boiled the spinach and blended it so that I get the puree of the boiled spinach. Now again we'll pinch out balls out of this. In this one also exactly I've got 21 balls. So we are able to make 21 mathris out of 1 cup maida here. So all our mathris are ready to be fried. Now we'll just heat oil in a kadai, and first I'll fry all the masala mathris. So we'll just put them in the oil. The oil is moderately hot when at the time of putting the mathris in the oil. Now we'll just occasionally stir, and once they are good golden brown we'll take them out and strain on a kitchen towel. So our masala mathris are ready. Now we'll fry our spinach masala mathris. So the same, you just fry and take out when they are golden brown. Our spinach masala mathris are also ready. Now we'll make namakpare. For that we'll mix maida, salt and ajwain or carom seeds, and then again we'll add oil into this, and again using water we'll need hard dough. So always remember one thing: when you want to knead hard dough, don't add much of water at once. Add water very little by little and keep kneading on the dough. Herein I'm using around 1/4 cup of water to knead this dough. So just knead it properly, and once it is kneaded, divide the dough into two portions, two balls, roll them, and then we'll roll out a chapati of one ball. So we'll do the same with both the balls. So here I'm making a chapati out of one ball. So once it is done, take a knife, apply a little bit oil on the edges of the knife, and then using this knife just give cuts to the dough properly, and you can cut it in any desired shape, but generally namakpare are made in this shape, or you can even cut them long if you want, in the shape of a finger, like so just remember one thing while frying all these stuff: always fry them on low flame, otherwise they'll be burnt from outside and they'll be raw from inside. So now our namakpare is also ready. Serve them hot. You can store them in airtight containers and enjoy it anytime. Thanks for watching. Eat healthy, stay happy. Bye bye.